Dear student, this is our second session of the chapter The Earth in the Solar System. In the previous session, I hope you have understood full moon and the new moonlight, celestial bodies, star, constellation, pole star, etc. etc. Now, in this particular session, we will talk about the solar system. Again, we have lot many subtopics like solar family, the sun, planets, orbit, and other so many things. Again, we have the PPT. For that PPT, we will try to cover this all subtopics. Thank you.
These all are the content which we will discuss in this session. After this session, you will be able to describe solar family, the sun, planets, orbit, the earth, the moon, asteroid, metroid, and the Milky Way. Now we will talk about the solar system. The Sun, 8 planets, satellite and some other celestial bodies known as asteroid and metroid from the solar system. We have already discussed about celestial bodies. Later in this session we will talk about asteroid and metroid. We often call it a solar family with the Sun as its head. Look at this image. In this image, you can find the different planets which is moving around the sun on a particular orbit. So what is orbit and other things that we will talk later. Now, we will talk about the head of the solar family, the sun. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling forces that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system. But that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. In the previous class, we have talked about the stars. So, stars, as we all know, is having its own heat and light and made up of hot gases. So, similarly, the sun is also a star and it is the only source of heat in the solar family. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. An easy way to memorize the name of the planets in order of their distance from the sun is my very efficient mother just serve us that, where M as in Mercury, V as in Venus, and so on. So this is the easy way to remember the planets' name as per their distance from the sun. Now we will talk about orbits. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths. These paths are elongated. They are called orbit. Mercury is nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that the Pluto, like other celestial objects, for example, Ceres 2003 UB313, discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planet. Look at this image. Every planet is moving on its own path. That path is called orbit. The Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. Look at this image. This is a real-time image of the Earth from the space. The favorable conditions to support life are probably found only on the Earth. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air, which are very essential for our survival. The air has life-supporting gases like oxygen, Because of this reason, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its two-thirds surface is covered by water. It is therefore called a blue planet. You have the question, which planet is called the blue planet? You can say the Earth is called the blue planet. Now let's talk about the moon. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is the moon. Its diameter is only one quarter that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is nearest to our planet than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us on the Earth. The moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has neither water nor air. It has mountains, plains, and depressions on its surface. This casts shadow on the moon's surface. Look at this image. We will talk about two kinds of satellite. One is natural satellite, another is human-made satellite. We have already spoken about the natural satellite. A human-made satellite is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. It is carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the Earth. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. In this image you can see a rocket is being launched and the rest of the part of the rocket falls back to the earth and the satellite enters the orbit to collect the information about the different things from the space. Now we will talk about asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. If you go through the Big Bang theory, we will come to know more about these all events. This is an image of asteroid. Metroids. The small piece of rock which move around the sun are called metroids. Sometimes these metroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. Causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. In this image, you can see while meteoroids are entering the earth, it heated up and burned. Now the next topic is the Milky Way Galaxy. Do you see a whitish broad band like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear spring night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way Galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light following in the sky, thus it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe. It is difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. This is a beautiful picture of Milky Way Galaxy. Can you relate yourself with the universe now? You are on the earth and the earth is a part of the solar system. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way Galaxy, which is a part of the universe. Think about the universe and the fact that it contains millions of such galaxies. How do you fit in the picture? There in the picture you are inside the earth. Earth is a part of solar system and the solar system is a part of Milky Galaxy Way and that Milky Galaxy Way is a part of universe. In this slide you'll find different interesting facts about the universe, planets, the earth, the moon, and so many other heavenly bodies. I would request you all to spend some time and go through these all facts to enhance your knowledge. Now the session is going to complete here, and I believe after this session you'll be able to describe about the solar family, the sun, planets, orbit, the earth, the moon, asteroid, metroids, the Milky Way Galaxy, and so many other things too. I hope this session will help you to clarify all your doubts from the chapter The Earth in the Solar System, and you understand the chapter very comfortably. Thank you very much.